Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to clear Safari history on iPhone. To do that, it's really simple. You have just to go to settings and after that scroll down to apps. After that, look for Safari. After that, scroll down again until you find clear history and website data. Clear history and website data. Just click on it. And after that, you have to choose the clear time frame, last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. And after that, you can choose also to close all tabs. And after that, you have just to click clear history. And the history is cleared. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.